Nothing.
Can I have $5 after this?
No.
What?
You got the truck dirty in the first place. Look at your face.
Dad got the truck dirty.
What?
Yeah. Your truck.
How upset does your mom get if she see you with a dirty face like that?
What face?
Your face is covered in dirt.
Really?
Yeah, well, you're working hard, so that's good. It's a good work day, right? Uh-oh, here comes trouble. Now we're never gonna get any work done.
Why?
Because you're here. Troublemaker.
Can I go, please?
Where are you going?
Bucket. Dad, I need the bucket.
Walking around in circles?
Dad, bucket. You can leave it up here.
Okay. You still gotta do the side.
Oh, seriously?
Okay, well that's okay. I got the rag. I'll do the
Yeah,
washing.
but since you got the truck dirty all over again,
Okay.
you owe me $2 more.
Allie, what's 5 times 5?
5 times 5? 25.
Yeah, you're so smart.
You owe me $2 more.
Okay, wash the bumper. You gotta wash the bumper. All the chrome needs to be done. No, you gotta get down here.
But I don't want to.
1,
put it down.
2.
No, I'm gonna put that down there.
Here, give me that.
Yeah. Hello. Bello.
Okay, jump down.
Why?
Why not?
Okay. Ah.